Hi everyone, I'm Nancy from Girl Scout Troop 20322. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a pinwheel. You'll need tape, scissors, paper pin fasteners, a dowel, and construction paper. First, you will need to fold your construction paper diagonally based on how big you want your pinwheel to be. I'm folding it a little smaller than the paper because I don't want it to be as big. Then, cut around the edges to form a square. Next, you are going to cut into the middle, but do not cut all the way. Do this on all four sides. Next, draw small circles in the bottom left corner of each triangle you've made. You will need to cut these out, like I am here. This step might be a little difficult, so it's okay to ask a parent to help you. It should look like this when you are done. After that, fold your paper in half and cut a small hole in the center. Next, align all the holes into the center. This might be a little difficult, so you can always ask for help. Push the paper pin fastener through all of the holes and then secure it in the back. It should look like this when you are done. Finally, tape the dowel to the back of the pinwheel. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will make this fun craft at home. Bye!